Spin all that biscotti over there. You need to dip it. So, we milk some chocolate, so this is chocolate, kind of. This is what's called coating chocolate. There's a big difference between coating chocolate and what's known as couverture. Couverture is made with what's called cocoa butter. When you use couverture, I believe this is, oh yeah it is. When you use couverture, you have to do what's called tempering. In other words, you have to bring up the temperature and then bring it back down and hold it so that the crystals, there's 6 crystals present in cocoa butter. You can make sure that all those crystals are evenly aligned so your chocolate comes out really shiny. Well, coated chocolate has had the cocoa butter replaced with a form of an oil. And because of this, it doesn't need to be tempered. All you have to do is melt it and it'll be fine. But the thing is, you don't want to burn it. So be careful of how high you heat it. So the easiest thing to do is chop it up a bit. And you always want to cut, place your hand on the serrated knife and cut the corners. Always cut the edges. And it's easier to cut that way. Then you want to place it in a dry bowl. Why dry? Yep, water is an enemy of chocolate, regardless if it's coating or couverture. It's got to have, it has to be a dry container. Now you can melt this in the microwave, that's fine, or like we're going to do it on a double boiler. Microwave requires a little bit more finesse. You can't walk away from it too easily. You have to kind of baby it a little bit because the microwave tends to burn fairly quickly. So, what we're going to do is melt this down, and then I'll show you how to dip up biscotti. Okay? So you want to get in uniform and all that fun stuff. And you want to break out the biscotti. I don't know whose biscotti is whose at this point, but it doesn't really matter. Just kind of equally distribute it.
Why don't you add like short beans?